When was your last Oxy-Fuel safety audit? Or better yet, when was the last time you had a safety training session? Hi, I'm John Henderson with ESAB Cutting and Welding Products, and I've been in the welding and cutting industry for 4 decades. And if you've been in the industry for any length of time, you know that the Victor brand is not only synonymous with safety, but it was founded in 1913 on the premise of safety. We invented the modern regulator and torch, designed built-in safety features like check valves, flashback arresters, and recently the next generation Edge 2.0 regulator. We like to say our equipment isn't just safe, it's Victor safe. However, equipment is only one piece of the puzzle. You need safety audits to identify risk and mitigate them. You also need training. You need to train your people to ensure they are knowledgeable, skilled, and are operating safely. That's where Victor safety audits and safety trainings come in, something I like to call Victor Safe 2.0. These are services we provide to the industry. You and your people, your company, your operators can operate at peak efficiency and safety, all to give you protection and peace of mind. An audit entails an end-to-end review. We start where the gas comes in. We carry that throughout your plant or throughout your operation all the way to the end, right where the flame is at. We look for leaks, proper installations, hoses, gas line sizing, equipment selections, your equipment conditions, the equipment of everything in it, operator factors, anything that doesn't meet the highest standard we'll identify. An example of what an audit can reveal. We recently worked with a large steel manufacturer that was working with very thick material. They did the right thing. They checked their guide, they set their pressures at what was required, 80 pounds of pressure for their oxygen. During our audit, we checked the pressure at the torch and found that they were significantly under requirements, which could have caused a potential safety issue due to flow restrictions. To deliver the correct flow at the torch, the solution was to raise the pressure at the station to just over 100 pounds. After that audit, we worked with the supervisors and the operators to review all of their equipment operations. We trained them on basic Oxy-Fuel fundamentals. We highlighted some specific hazards that they could encounter and then showed them tips and tricks on how to cut thicker material. With a safety audit and training, you learn how incidents happen. You understand how to identify those hazards and how to mitigate them and de-risk the operation. That's Victor Safe 2.0. Safe equipment, safe operations, and a trained, safe workforce.